Did you know that more than 80% of baking soda users are unaware of its most potent secrets? That's correct. Millions of homes are silently ignoring the promise of this common kitchen ingredient, which costs pennies each dose. Baking soda is really regarded by many specialists as the most underappreciated medication in the world. Consider it. How many times have you grabbed baking soda to make a cake or clean your refrigerator without considering its other potential uses? What if I told you that this straightforward white powder has a lengthy history of unexpected applications, some of which have the potential to fundamentally alter your perspective on health? What are we all losing out on? And why is it that so few people discuss baking soda's true power? Few people are aware of the amazing health benefits of baking soda, which we will discuss in this video. Additionally, I'll outline the crucial safety measures and identify the precise individuals who should exercise caution when using baking soda. If you're concerned about your health and want to make wise decisions, you really don't want to miss this. Greetings if you're new to our channel. Before we go into the health advantages of baking soda together, let's develop. Remember to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss any of our future posts. And I want to know whether you're with me if you're now watching. If this video resonates with you, type 1 in the comments section. If not, type 0. We are thrilled to be a part of your journey to improved health, which begins here. Oh, and mention your nation in the comments to let us know where you're watching from. We would be delighted to hear from you. Okay, let's get going. The incredible health advantages of baking soda. Promotes detoxification. First, baking soda has uses beyond baking and cleaning. It is frequently commended for its capacity to aid in the body's inherent detoxifying procedures. Baking soda can help neutralize acids both within and outside the body since it becomes alkaline when dissolved in water. Baking soda baths are frequently used to calm mild rashes, lessen itching, and soothe inflamed skin. Soaking in a baking soda solution is supposed to help pull out impurities, leaving your body more balanced and your skin feeling renewed. Although there is currently little scientific proof of this well-liked home remedy's ability to detoxify the skin, many users report feeling much better and more at ease. The story becomes even more intriguing on the inside. According to some health enthusiasts, alkalizing the blood and urine using a tiny amount of baking soda mixed with water helps facilitate the body's ability to eliminate pollutants. This has some scientific backing, particularly for those with specific medical issues. For instance, by lowering blood acid accumulation, sodium bicarbonate supplements help reduce the progression of chronic kidney disease. According to a research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, this implies that baking soda, when used under medical supervision, may enhance the body's natural detoxification process, particularly for people who require assistance controlling their acidity levels. It's crucial to bear in mind, though, that your body is already quite adept at maintaining pH equilibrium, and that significant dietary changes are challenging. Moderation is essential, since excessive use of baking soda might have negative effects. When used properly, baking soda can be a mild, reasonably priced method to aid in your body's natural detoxification processes and give you a sense of renewal. Next, it enhances teeth whitening and dental health. There's a reason baking soda is used in so many toothpastes and home cures. When it comes to teeth whitening and dental wellness, it is a powerful tool. You've probably noticed how clean and smooth your teeth feel after brushing them with a little baking soda. This is because baking soda works as a mild abrasive to remove surface stains from tea, coffee, and other foods that can make your smile look drab. When applied correctly, baking soda's gentle texture helps polish teeth without seriously harming them, in contrast to harsh whitening procedures. However, the advantages are not limited to a more radiant grin. Because baking soda is alkaline, it helps balance out the acids in your tongue. This is crucial because acidic conditions foster the growth of dangerous bacteria that cause gum disease, cavities, and foul breath. Baking soda supports healthier gums and fresher breath by bringing your mouth's pH back into balance, which makes it less conducive to harmful germs. These assertions are supported by scientific research. For instance, toothpaste with baking soda was found to be substantially more successful than toothpaste without it at whitening teeth and removing plaque, according to research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry. According to a different study, baking soda can improve oral health by lowering the quantity of dangerous germs in the mouth. But moderation is essential. Too much use of baking soda or vigorous brushing might gradually erode tooth enamel due to its abrasive properties. Dentists advise using it only a few times each week and always with a brush that has soft bristles. When used properly, baking soda can be a quick, low-cost and easy way to get a healthier, whiter and cleaner smile at home. Afterward, it relieves heartburn. Many people suffer from heartburn, a common and frequently irritating symptom, particularly after consuming a rich or spicy meal. Acid reflux, which is produced by stomach acid returning to the esophagus, usually starts as a burning sensation in the upper stomach and can spread up into the throat. Pregnancy, weight gain, and certain medical conditions like eosinophilic esophagitis or achalia can further increase the risk of heartburn. Even though there are a lot of commercial antacids on the market, you can find a quick and easy solution in your kitchen. A tried and true method for rapidly relieving heartburn is to mix a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sip it gently. This has a simple scientific basis. Because baking soda is alkaline, it helps balance out the extra stomach acid that's causing the burning. For years, this reaction has been a common home cure since it offers nearly instant comfort. Sodium bicarbonate is actually acknowledged by the medical community as a fast-acting antacid. According to a review in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology, it works well for quickly relieving sporadic heartburn. The procedure is easy to follow and understand. No need for costly treatments or a trip to the pharmacy. All you need to feel better is a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few minutes. One of the reasons baking soda is still a common home item is because of this simple fix. This common kitchen item can make a big difference for anyone seeking immediate, dependable heartburn relief, allowing you to return to your day with ease and comfort. The antifungal qualities come next. A common annoyance, fungal infections can manifest as skin areas that are itchy, red, or flaky. Fungi that thrive in moist settings are the source of ringworm, athlete's foot, and other related disorders, particularly in warm and humid places like the feet. Although there are numerous over-the-counter creams and sprays available, baking soda is a straightforward and all-natural solution that you may find in your kitchen. Its capacity to alter the conditions necessary for the growth of fungi is what gives this common household item its potent antifungal properties. Baking soda produces an alkaline environment on the skin that weakens fungal cell walls, making it more difficult for the fungi to live and grow. There is scientific proof that this is more than just a folk cure that has been used for decades. According to a study in the journal Mycopathologia, 80% of the fungal strains examined were able to have their growth inhibited by a solution containing 10 g of baking soda per liter. This remarkable outcome demonstrates the potential of baking soda as a natural antifungal agent. A basic remedy for athlete's foot is to apply a paste made of baking soda and water directly to the afflicted areas, or mix it into a foot soak. After only a few sessions, many people experience a reduction in itching and discomfort. It's also a fantastic choice for people who want to stay away from harsh chemicals because it's non-toxic and soothing. This accessible and reasonably priced treatment presents a viable option for anyone battling recalcitrant fungal infections, assisting in regaining comfort and self-assurance in day-to-day living. Afterward, it might alleviate UTS or urinary tract infections. Particularly for women, urinary tract infections or UTI are a prevalent and frequently excruciating issue. Daily living might be difficult due to the burning feeling when urinating, frequent needs to urinate, and general discomfort. Despite the fact that antibiotics are the usual course of therapy, some people seek for natural remedies to reduce symptoms and promote healing. Baking soda is one such treatment that has drawn interest. Baking soda's capacity to neutralize acids is the basis for the theory behind its use to treat UTI. Urine can become less acidic when baking soda is added to water and taken in tiny doses. It is possible that this change in pH will make the environment less conducive to the growth of the bacteria that cause UTI, which will help the body fight off the infection. Additionally, the burning feeling that makes UTI so uncomfortable might be lessened by less acidic urine. There is some scientific evidence to support this strategy. 33 women with recurrent urinary tract infections were treated with sodium bicarbonate. In a research that was published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, many participants said that their symptoms had significantly improved after 4 weeks, including decreased pain and discomfort when urinating. Although these findings are encouraging, it's crucial to remember that baking soda shouldn't be used in place of medical therapy for UTI, particularly in cases that are severe. Baking soda might be a mild, cost-effective solution to relieve discomfort for people looking for further relief in addition to authorized therapy. However, keep in mind that severe or ongoing UTI symptoms necessitate immediate medical intervention. Baking soda can be a useful addition to your toolkit for controlling urinary comfort and health if used properly. Canker sores may then be treated. You can understand how upsetting these little mouth ulcers can be if you have ever felt the intense pain of a canker sore. The good news: baking soda could be the easy, low-cost solution you've been looking for. After ulcers, sometimes referred to as canker sores, are frequently brought on by stress, little oral traumas, or even certain meals. They might cause discomfort when eating, drinking, and even conversing. Because of its special capacity to neutralize oral acids and establish a more balanced pH environment, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate performs wonders in this situation. This is important since an acidic environment can exacerbate discomfort and impede recovery. You can lessen inflammation, ease discomfort, and hasten the healing process by rinsing your mouth with a baking soda and water solution, usually half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water. But science supports this, so don't just take my word for it. In patients with recurrent athome stomatitis, sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes dramatically decreased discomfort and accelerated healing. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association, the moderate antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities of baking soda, the researchers found aid in keeping the sewer clean and inhibit bacterial growth, both of which are critical for healing. Additionally, baking soda is moderate and unlikely to aggravate the condition more than certain over-the-counter remedies. Try a simple baking soda rinse the next time you sense the onset of a canker sore. It's a natural, scientifically supported method that you can use in your kitchen to relieve pain and promote dental health. Improves exercise performance after that. Did you realize that you may get a significant fitness advantage from a simple kitchen item? Yes, you may use baking soda for purposes other than cleaning your sink or making cakes. Athletes use it as a secret weapon to combat muscle fatigue and improve exercise performance. This is how it operates. Your muscles release lactic acid during high-intensity exercise, which lowers pH and produces that recognizable burning feeling. Muscle tiredness is largely caused by this acidity, which frequently forces you to stop before you're really ready. Sodium bicarbonate, sometimes known as baking soda, functions as a buffering agent naturally. When taken prior to exercise, it helps balance out the excess acid in your muscles, which enables you to work out harder and longer. This is more than simply fitness lore, though. It has a strong scientific foundation. According to a meta-analysis of several trials that was published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, taking supplements of sodium bicarbonate greatly enhanced performance in short-duration high-intensity exercises, including cycling, swimming, and sprinting. According to the researchers' findings, athletes who consumed baking soda were able to sustain optimal performance for extended periods of time and had a delayed onset of weariness. Usually 60 to 90 minutes prior to their training, athletes mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and consume it. Starting with tiny doses is essential, though, as too much can result